To create a moving chart like a seismograph readout, here's how you do it. First, I've created a new scene, and then I'm going to go find my seismograph chart, which I downloaded one here, and I am going to right click and drag it into my scene, or hold down control and left click and drag it into my scene. So I'll just do the right click, drag it into my scene, and when I drop it, it's going to ask me how I want it in the scene, and I'm going to select plane. So now I've got my picture of my seismograph chart, and obviously I only want to show part of it at a time. So first I'm going to scale this plane to better match the window I need. So I will pick scale, and I will go ahead and make it about square. Um, that looks pretty good. Okay, now I need the wave to be more stretched out, so I'm only seeing the beginning of it right now, and then I'm going to animate it. So what I want to do is come over to the Material tab of the Modify panel, um, select that image at the top, and then you're going to come down into the UV settings section, and if it's rolled up, unroll it. And in the tiling, the U is going to be the horizontal. So you want to set that to something smaller. Like I'm going to set it to 0.25, and then that will um, scale the image in the U. It will scale the UV actually. So the or scale the image in the UV. Sorry, so that it's not all showing. And now what we can do is animate it so it slides across. So that come up to the offset, but you first need to select further down in the timeline. So I'll choose down here somewhere, and then in the U, I'm going to set this to either -1 or +1, and that will depend on the direction. I'm going to use -1 so it scans to the left. So I'll type in -1 here, and you'll see it'll actually put in 0.999, and that's fine. And now if you rewind and hit play, you'll see that it scrolls. So there you go. Hope that's helpful.